Hi everyone. There's a dark side to our heritage. You're looking at the king of it. You get top-of-the-line power and a blacked-out look that will stop traffic. A custom bagger with top-of-the-line power and a commanding presence. Riders seeking a factory custom hot rod with iconic HD style. Milwaukee-Eight 114V twin engine and Prodigy wheels. Bright white Daymaker LED headlamp pushes out an impressive punch, and a new low-profile engine guard designed to emphasize the bike's slammed, low lines. Black headlight nacelle with matching trim ring. Big and commanding, boasting a darkness-defying headlight so you can see and be seen. 9-inch tall, 1.25-inch wide Mini Ape handlebars so you can sit taller, feel more assertive, and ride more aggressively. The most displacement in standard Harley-Davidson touring models. You get 114 cubic inches or 1868 cc of passing and horizon chasing power. Custom black turbine wheels. 19-inch of head turning style in the front, 18-inch in the rear. Powerful blades extending all the way to the rim create an eye-catching impact. Stretched saddlebags. A sleek on the outside and roomy on the inside with more than enough space to stash your riding essentials. The lids open with a single touch of a hand. This machine has a minimalist look throughout, from the aggressive turbine wheels to the tapered mufflers. (2023) Road King Special Colors. Vivid black. Bright billiard blue. Industrial yellow. Reflex-linked Brembo brakes with standard ABS. Designed to help prevent the wheels from locking under braking to assist the rider in maintaining control when braking in a straight line. ABS operates independently on front and rear brakes to keep the wheels rolling and help prevent uncontrolled wheel lock in urgent situations. Defensive Rider Systems. A new collection of technologies that help give you confidence and control in less than ideal situations. The systems utilize advanced chassis control, electronic brake control and powertrain technology to assist you with accelerating and braking in straight line or while in a turn. (2023) Road King Special Prices. US MSRP price, $23,999 to $24,649 US. Canada MSRP price, $28,599 to $29,449 CDN. Europe, UK MSRP price, £24,595 to £25,035, on the road incorporated 20% VAT. 2023 Harley-Davidson Road King Special Features and Benefits. Mini Ape handlebars. 9-inch tall, 1.25-inch wide Mini Ape handlebars so you can sit taller and feel more assertive. Sleek headlamp nacelle. A stylish streamlined nacelle houses a powerful LED headlight. Custom touring silhouette. Prodigy wheels and lowered suspension provide custom looks without sacrificing touring capability. 2023 Road King Special Customization Packages. Long haul package, chrome. Add a seat and grips ready for any climate and the ability to quickly attach luggage and more with the chrome long haul package. Long haul package, black. Add a seat and grips ready for any climate and the ability to quickly attach luggage and more with the black long haul package. Empire package, black. With the black Empire custom package from HD Genuine Parts and Accessories, get a perfect balance of bagger performance and style for the rider who wants a little extra of both. Empire package, machine cut. With the machine cut Empire custom package from HD Genuine Parts and Accessories, get a perfect balance of bagger performance and style for the rider who wants a little extra of both. 2023 Harley-Davidson Road King Special Key Features. Upright riding position. Floorboards. Passenger seat. Saddlebags. Rider safety enhancements available. Riders seeking a factory custom hot rod with iconic HD style. Milwaukee-Eight 114V twin engine and Prodigy wheels. Bright white Daymaker LED headlamp. Thanks for watching.